Hi everyone, I'm Jack Robotham. I'm a Power Platform Technical Specialist at Microsoft, and today this is the first video of my channel with lots more to come. But what I'm looking to do is bring easily consumable content to you all the watchers here around how to adopt the Power Platform at scale, how to learn the fundamentals and all the popular themes that seem to be cropping up as I speak to customers. So today let's get into the video. I'll be sharing my 5 top tips on how to get started with the Power Platform. Number 1, getting access to the platform. So you may already have access to the Power Platform, whether it's through your work email, through Office 365, E3 or E5, Microsoft Teams, or even Dynamics. But if you don't, that's absolutely fine. So what you can see here is the Powerapps community plan that anyone can sign up to. It's free for individual use and allows you to build your business apps and workflows and really learn how to use the capabilities inside of the platform. Number 2, accessing all the Microsoft training resources that are available. There's a plethora of training from all of the official content, but even the community as well. So you can see here, this is Microsoft Learn and allows you to tailor all your learning paths and all the training step by step to exactly what's relevant to you. So we can edit our interests, we can define the type of user that we are, so we can see a business user here. We can select the products that we're interested in and our skill level, so beginner, Power Platform, and then we'll straight away get recommendations of content that we can then consume nice and easy. In addition, we have all the technical documentation on microsoftdocs.com, and you can see here we can then delve deeper into the specific parts that you want to be able to learn more. We also have all the free training days that we have to offer for customers as well. So the Microsoft Power Platform Fundamentals, which you can sign up on. You can see here we have the next one on March 5th. And by accessing and taking part in this and attending the webinar, you get a free voucher to be able to take your Power Platform Fundamentals, which is typically valued just over £100 as well. So a great investment to make the most of. And finally, we even have the App in a Day sessions where you can learn and get hands-on with the technology, where we have a number of partners offering free sessions so you can sign up and join as you will and learn how to build an end-to-end Power Platform solution within a couple of hours. And I'll share all of these links in the description of the video. Number 3 is joining the community. You can see here this page is full of members, active members and super users that are sharing all their experiences, content and even answering questions for you. So I can't say the amount of times that I've been on here just to explore what other people are experiencing with the Power Platform, the questions that they have. When I'm trying to build out Power Platform apps as an example, I can ask questions on here and super users will give us responses and show you the best practices as well. So absolutely make the most, and you can see the examples here of the forums of questions that we're getting and all the answers and the engagement. And finally, even being able to nominate ideas that will feed into the Powerapps roadmap as well. So you can see here how people are nominating for future capabilities that they'd love to see. Number 4 is making the most of templates. As you can imagine, when building on a low-code solution, you don't always want to start from scratch and you want to learn what other people are doing and what the best practices are. Well, the good news is Microsoft offers a number of templates inside of Powerapps and Power Automate to get you started even quicker. So we can see here, this is the central portal where we create our apps. We've got a number of templates that we can use and consume really quickly. So site inspections, budget trackers, onboarding tasks. And what's most important is that all we have to do is click the app or the solution, start it, and then we can then start to create and expand and extend that capability. And all of these are designed to be accessible as well. And an added bonus is that even the community are contributing all their templates of what they're building on. So there's some fantastic examples here that all can be installed inside of your environment to take advantage of straight away. Here is one of the examples that I've personally used that I've downloaded from the community templates, which is helping me learn how to consume and use all the formulas that are within Powerapps. So I can scroll through, find the potential formula that I think is relevant, that I'd like to learn more about. I can click the formula and it will then show me suggestions on the right about the description and how to then use it in the context of my app. And number 5, customer stories. Hear about how all the other customers are starting to adopt the Power Platform at scale, and you can read their stories, their presentations that they've done, and all the relevant content directly inside of Powerapps as well. So we can see here all the different ones, and if you'd like to learn more, all you have to do is click the link and you can consume that content as well. So those are the 5 key tips that I have for starting the Power Platform. Just a quick recap. The first one being, how do you get access to the platform? We've talked about the community trials and the trials that you have generally available. But if you already have access to the licensing and the products already through your work email, then absolutely take advantage of that already. Number 2, we talked about training materials, being able to access all of the Microsoft Learn material, the free App in a Day sessions and other training content that's all available, which I'll provide all the content and the links in the description of the video. Number 3, we talked about the community. making the most of the community out there, all the pro developers out there, sharing content and their experience with the Power Platform so you can ask questions and engage with them and learn through that way. Number 4, we're talking about templates, not starting from scratch, but being able to use templates that have already been built by Microsoft that are approved, they're accessible, or even the partners and the community as well. So being able to stand up those really quickly inside of your Powerapps environment as well. And finally, those customer stories, being able to learn from all the other customers that have tried to adopt the Power Platform already and sharing their experiences and learnings is incredibly valuable to learn a bit more. So hopefully this has been a useful video as a starter for the channel. We've talked about the 5 top tips. Please provide any recommendations or content that you'd like to see in the future, and I will definitely get to that. Thank you very much.